Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low bun hairstyle, which is perfect for long hair. To start, I'm going to section off a little bit of hair at the front to frame the face, and then just do this on both sides and clip it out of the way for later. Then divide the rest of the hair in half at the nape of the neck, and we're just going to secure each half into a low ponytail using an elastic band. So just repeat this on both sides of the head. And starting on that left hand side, I'm just going to loosen that ponytail by pulling it down half an inch or so. I'm going to pop my fingers behind the elastic band coming from the outside to the inside of the head, and then I'm just going to grab hold of that ponytail and pull it back through that hole we just made so we create a sideways twist. And then repeat it on the right hand side, so loosen your ponytails, create a hole going from the outside to the inside, and then pass that ponytail up to your fingers and pull it back through that hole to create another sideways twist. Next, I'm going to add some texture spray over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then just gently loosen up the hair at the crown and sides of the head and create a little bit of messy volume by pinching and pulling. Next, I'm going to tie those two ponytails in a simple knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. Make sure you've got one end pointing up and the other one pointing down, and then just slip a few bobby pins through the centre of that knot to keep it secure to the head. So taking that tail end from the top, I'm going to just give it a slight twist and bring it down the left hand side of the head, securing with pins as I go. Now I'm just securing it at the bottom. And the very last bit, I'm just going to slip a bobby pin in and secure it to the right hand side of that little bun we're creating. Now take that last ponytail and bring it up the right hand side of that bun, again securing with pins. Give the ends a little twist for a little bit more interest, and then just tuck the ends behind the bun so you can't see them and secure with another pin. Secure everything in place with a little bit of hairspray. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.